In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can calculate unknown angles on a straight line. Looking at the example on the left-hand side, I've been given two angles. The first angle is y, the second is 134, and both of these lie on a straight line. Angles on a straight line add up to 180, so I know that y plus 134 is equal to 180 degrees. Working backwards, I can find out what y is equal to by taking 134 from 180. This leaves me 46, and that means that angle y is 46 degrees. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So knowing that these two angles, y and 42, add up to 180, I can write y plus 42 is equal to 180 degrees. To calculate y, I take 42 from 180, and this leaves me 138 degrees. And this is the angle y.